Discover yourself in new languages. Kotoba Camp.
Emotion.
Emotion.
A strong feeling such as love, fear, or anger. The part of a person's character that consists of feelings.
情感、情绪、感情。
Neural imaging reveals how the brain processes emotions during social interactions. Cognitive neuroscience examines the biological mechanisms underlying emotional responses.
Musical compositions can evoke powerful emotions through variations in rhythm and melody.
Cultural differences significantly influence how individuals express and interpret emotions.
Stress hormones play a crucial role in modulating emotional states and memory formation.
Emotional.
Emotional.
Emotional intelligence contributes significantly to successful interpersonal relationships. Emotionality.
Emotionality. High emotionality in decision-making can impair objective analysis.
Feeling, sentiment, passion, affect.
感觉、情感、热情、情绪。
Detachment, indifference, apathy, stoicism.
超脱、冷漠、无动于衷、坚韧。
Employ.
Employ.
To use something for a particular purpose. To give work to someone and pay them.
使用、采用、雇用、雇用。
Researchers employ various methodologies to analyze labor market dynamics. Modern industries employ advanced technologies to enhance productivity and efficiency.
The study employed statistical analysis to examine employment patterns across different sectors.
Universities employ diverse teaching methods to accommodate different learning styles.
Sociologists employ both quantitative and qualitative approaches in their research methodologies.
Employment.
Employment.
Employment opportunities vary significantly across different economic sectors. Employable.
Employable. Developing employable skills is crucial for success in the modern job market.
Utilize, implement, apply, practice.
利用、实施、应用、实践。
Discard, abandon, reject, ignore.
抛弃、放弃、拒绝、忽视。
Encourage.
Encourage.
To give someone support, confidence, or hope. To stimulate the development of an activity.
鼓励、激励、促进、助长。
Effective educators encourage critical thinking by presenting challenging problems that require analytical solutions. Interactive learning environments encourage active participation and knowledge retention.
Positive feedback mechanisms encourage students to develop intrinsic motivation for academic pursuits.
Collaborative research projects encourage the exchange of diverse perspectives and innovative ideas.
Environmental policies encourage sustainable practices in industrial development.
Encouragement.
Encouragement.
Constructive encouragement from mentors significantly impacts student achievement levels. Encouraging.
Encouraging. The encouraging results of the preliminary experiments justified further investigation.
Motivate, inspire, support, stimulate.
激励、启发、支持、刺激。
Discourage, deter, inhibit, dissuade.
劝阻、阻止、抑制、劝退。
Escape.
Escape.
To get free from confinement or control. To avoid a dangerous or unpleasant situation. The act of breaking free from confinement or control.
逃脱、逃避、逃跑、逃离。
Certain molecules can escape from cell membranes through passive diffusion when concentration gradients are favorable. Neural mechanisms enable organisms to escape from threatening stimuli through rapid motor responses.
Electrons can escape from atomic orbitals when sufficient energy is applied to overcome the binding force.
Psychological defense mechanisms help individuals escape from overwhelming emotional stress.
Heat energy gradually escapes from thermal systems due to the second law of thermodynamics.
Escapism.
Escapism.
Modern technology provides various forms of escapism that can affect psychological well-being. Escapable.
Escapable. The experimental results showed that the reaction pathway was escapable under specific conditions.
Flee, evade, elude, avoid.
逃离、逃避、躲避、避免。
Confront, face, encounter, endure.
面对、直面、遭遇、忍受。
Exact.
Exact.
Precise and accurate in all details, strictly correct.
精确的、准确的、严谨的。
Quantum mechanics requires exact mathematical calculations to predict particle behavior at the subatomic level. Mathematical models must provide exact solutions to describe physical phenomena in classical mechanics.
Precise measurement techniques yield exact data about chemical reaction rates.
Astronomical calculations require exact timing to predict celestial events.
Statistical analysis demands exact methodology to ensure reliable results.
Exactness.
Exactness.
The exactness of molecular structures determines their biological function. Exactitude.
Exactitude. Scientific measurements require exactitude to maintain experimental validity.
Precise, accurate, meticulous, rigorous.
精确的、准确的、一丝不苟的、严谨的。
Approximate, inexact, rough, imprecise.
近似的、不精确的、粗略的、不准确的。
Exchange.
Exchange.
To give something and receive something else in return. the act of giving or receiving one thing in return for another.
交换、兑换、交流、互换。
Ion exchange across cell membranes plays a vital role in maintaining cellular homeostasis. The sodium-potassium exchange pump maintains the electrical gradient across neural cell membranes.
Cultural exchange programs foster mutual understanding between different academic institutions.
The carbon dioxide-oxygen exchange in plant cells is fundamental to photosynthesis.
International academic exchanges contribute significantly to global scientific advancement.
Exchangeable.
Exchangeable.
Exchangeable ions in soil affect nutrient availability for plant growth. Exchanger.
Exchanger. The heat exchanger transfers thermal energy between two fluids without mixing them.
Transfer, swap, trade, interchange.
转移、交换、贸易、互换。
Withhold, retain, keep, maintain.
保留、保持、保管、维持。
Exciting.
Exciting.
Causing great enthusiasm, eagerness, or interest. Stimulating.
令人兴奋的，使人激动的，刺激的。
Recent quantum computing breakthroughs represent one of the most exciting developments in computational science. Neuroscientists made exciting discoveries about memory formation in the hippocampus.
The crystallization of proteins under microgravity yields exciting possibilities for drug development.
Astronomical observations revealed exciting evidence of water molecules on distant exoplanets.
The synthesis of novel compounds opens exciting pathways for renewable energy storage.
Excitement.
Excitement.
The excitement among researchers grew as the experimental results exceeded expectations. Excitable.
Excitable. Excitable neural cells respond rapidly to chemical stimuli in the synaptic cleft.
Thrilling, stimulating, exhilarating, electrifying.
激动人心的，刺激的，令人振奋的，令人激动的。
Boring, dull, tedious, monotonous.
无聊的，枯燥的，乏味的，单调的。
Exercise.
Exercise.
To engage in physical activity for health or training. Physical or mental activity requiring effort carried out to sustain or improve health and fitness.
运动、锻炼、练习、训练。
Ancient Olympic athletes exercise specific muscle groups through specialized training methods. Regular cardiovascular exercise strengthens the heart's ability to pump blood efficiently.
Dolphins exercise their echolocation abilities by producing high-frequency sound waves.
Hibernating animals must exercise their muscles periodically to prevent atrophy.
Certain species of ants exercise remarkable problem-solving skills during food collection.
Exercised.
Exercised.
Migratory birds exercise precise navigational abilities during seasonal movements. Exercising.
Exercising. Bees exercise complex dance movements to communicate flower locations.
Practice, train, perform, workout.
练习、训练、执行、锻炼。
Rest, relax, idle, neglect.
休息、放松、懒散、忽视。
Expect.
Expect.
To anticipate or look forward to something. To consider likely or certain.
期待、预期、认为可能或确定。
Molecular biologists expect specific protein interactions based on their structural properties. Astronomers expect to detect more Earth-like exoplanets as telescope technology advances.
Quantum physicists expect particles to exhibit wave-like behavior under certain conditions.
Neural networks must process vast amounts of data to achieve expected learning outcomes.
Climate models expect significant temperature variations in polar regions.
Expectation.
Expectation.
Statistical expectations help predict population growth patterns in ecological systems. Expected.
Expected. The expected results of the chemical reaction differed from the observed outcome.
Anticipate, predict, forecast, await.
预期、预测、预报、等待。
Doubt, disbelieve, distrust, reject.
怀疑、不相信、不信任、拒绝。
Eager.
Eager.
Showing intense interest or enthusiasm, keen and impatient. Characterized by or feeling great desire or interest.
热切的、渴望的、热衷的、急切的。
Graduate students were eager to participate in the groundbreaking neuroscience research project. The participants were eager to contribute to the longitudinal study of cognitive development.
Young scientists were eager to test their hypotheses through carefully designed experiments.
The biology students showed an eager interest in examining cellular structures under the microscope.
The research team was eager to publish their findings in a peer-reviewed journal.
Eagerness.
Eagerness.
Their eagerness to understand quantum mechanics led to several innovative experiments. Eagerly.
Eagerly. The archaeology team eagerly documented each artifact they discovered at the ancient site.
Enthusiastic, keen, avid, zealous.
热情的、热切的、渴望的、热衷的。
Reluctant, indifferent, apathetic, disinterested.
不情愿的、冷漠的、无动于衷的、不感兴趣的。
Well done! Take a break and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's keep our learning motivation fresh.
The only way to do great work is to love what you do.